Hello, my fellow online biz CEOs. Welcome to today's video. We're going to be diving into the whole world of upsells. We're going to be talking about the art of upselling and cross-selling in your business. So you're in the right place if you're looking to leverage more sales in your business. You know you have been there. You are shopping online for that one thing and suddenly you are adding one more thing to your cart. One more item to your cart than you planned to, right? So that's the magic of upsells and cross-selling. So we are here to show you how to master it. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the actionable tips that will transform your online business strategies. But before we dive in, let me let you into a little secret. Did you know that upsells and cross-sells can actually increase your sales by like 25%? So imagine what would that do for your business if you were to increase your sales by 30%? So just think about it. What would that mean for your business? So by the end of this video, you'll be able to know the strategies that will help you to increase sales. Even if you're to get that fraction in your business, by the end of this video, you'll be able to increase those sales in your business using those upsells and cross-sells. So our journey begins by truly understanding your customers. The key to effective upselling and cross-selling lies in knowing what your audience craves. So think about it. You are in the prime of your life. Juggling work, family, hobbies, you are looking for solutions that make life easier, right? So are your customers as well. They're doing the same thing. They're looking for things that will make their life much easier. So when you understand this point, it really helps you out. So you really need to understand your audience needs. That way you'll be able to offer them that thing that's going to help them meet those needs. So once you understand your customers' needs, now you need to be able to craft those irresistible offers, right? To meet those needs that they have. So, and you know what's moved them, right? What kind of offers that you're going to be creating, what kind of irresistible offers you'll be able to create. So let's talk about bundles. Picture this. You're on an adventure and you want to complete a gear set, right? So bundling your products makes it a no-brainer for customers. So plus, it's also an opportunity to showcase complementary items they might not have thought of, right? So what else can go with that product that they're already buying that they didn't think they might need? But if you put it in a bundle, they'll be like, oh, I actually need this, right? And actually take you on that offer and buy that bundle. So think of those bundling opportunities that you might be missing in your business that you can start doing for your own products and services. What goes together that you can create a bundle out of your products that you have. The next thing that you have to tie in or take advantage of is the power of social proof. Yes, social proof is a game changer, especially these days in this digital world, right? Everyone wants to know that someone has already taken advantage of your products and bought it, right? They don't want to be the first one to buy it. They want to know that someone else has already entrusted you and bought your products, right? So you need to share those social proof so that you build that trust in them, right? So share positive experiences of our customers who have bought that extra item. It adds credibility and nudges hesitant buyers towards confident yes, right? So make sure you get to do that. Ever feel that a brand gets you? That's the magic of personalization, leveraging technology to suggest products based on your browsing history or purchase behavior. So it's like having a personal shopper guiding your customers, right? So you probably have felt this when you're buying on Amazon, right? They'll give you a little suggestion to say, hey, you might like this. Then you'll be like, oh, how did you know that I might like this, right? So that's the power of those cross-sell and upsells. And they know exactly how to use those personalization recommendations for you. And you are able to do this for your own business as well. To say, hey, I saw that you're interested in this, you might be interested in this product as well. So there you go. Upsells and cross-sells are not that complicated. All you need to do now is to find an app that you can include to your Shopify store and be able to use this cross-sell and upsells in your own business and increase those sales in your business using the strategy. So congratulations, you are now equipped with the knowledge to up your game with your e-commerce strategy. So remember, upsells and cross-sells isn't about tricking your customers. It's about embracing your experience and solving their problems. So whether you are selling gadgets, fashion, or home essentials, these strategies are your secret weapons. So I would like to hear from you. What kind of bundles can you create for your own business? Have you thought of that? What kind of cross-sales can you do? What are you going to try? And if you have any thoughts you want to share, please leave them below in the comments. And if you have any questions, please let me know. So I hope you have found this video useful. You can check out other videos on this channel to help you out to grow your business And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any other videos like this where I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, continue building the business that you love, and I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.